What's the meaning of agog? Agog. 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 Agog is an adjective that describes a state of being eager, excited or curious about something. When someone is agog, they are intensely fascinated and eagerly anticipating what will happen next. This can apply to a wide variety of situations, from eagerly awaiting the results of a sports game to being captivated by a thrilling book or movie. The feeling of being agog is often accompanied by a strong sense of anticipation, excitement and eagerness to learn more about the subject at hand.